Are you looking for flowers that will bloom all summer long? Today, we're embarking on a journey to find the perfect summer perennials. These aren't just any flowers, but ones that will keep your garden bursting with color and life throughout the season. The right summer perennials can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant paradise, a living painting that changes day by day. So, are you ready to enhance your garden's beauty? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of summer perennials that won't stop blooming for you. First on our list is the hardy coneflower, a must-have for any summer garden. Also known as echinacea, this perennial is not just a beauty to behold, but also a trooper in the face of summer heat. The coneflower thrives best in full sun and well-drained soil, but don't worry if your garden is a bit on the shady side. This adaptable perennial can handle a bit of shade and still bloom beautifully. Just make sure to water regularly, especially during dry spells. The coneflower's unique feature, its vibrant petals that range from pink and purple to brilliant white, surrounding a spiky cone-shaped center, a veritable feast for the eyes. Moving on to our second summer star, the black-eyed Susan. This golden glory, also known as Rudbeckia, is a quintessential summer perennial. With its sunny yellow petals and dark brown centers, it's like having miniature sunsets right in your garden. The black-eyed Susan prefers full sun and well-drained soil, much like the coneflower. It's also drought-tolerant, making it a great choice for those hot summer days. Its care requirements include regular watering and deadheading to encourage more blooms. And its unique feature? The black-eyed Susan is a magnet for butterflies, adding a touch of whimsy to your summer garden. Our third perennial is the cherry coreopsis. This perennial is a showstopper with its bright yellow blooms that seem to radiate happiness. Coreopsis thrives in full sun and can handle a variety of soil conditions, even poor rocky soil. It's also drought-tolerant, making it another great choice for those sizzling summer days. Regular watering and deadheading will keep your coreopsis looking its best all summer long. And let's not forget its unique feature. The coreopsis attracts beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, helping to keep your garden pest-free. With these flowers in your garden, you can expect a riot of colors all summer long. Continuing our exploration, next up is the vibrant Shasta daisy. This delightful perennial, known for its pure white petals and sunny yellow centers, is a summer garden staple. Shasta daisies thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. They're drought-resistant, making them a fantastic choice for those long, hot summer days. And don't worry about intensive care. These beauties are low maintenance. Just deadhead spent flowers to encourage new blooms, and you'll have a continuous display all summer long. Moving on, let's visit the Russian sage. Standing tall with its spiky lavender blue flowers, this perennial brings a touch of drama to any garden. It's not just about looks, though. The Russian sage is known for its aromatic foliage, adding a sensory delight to your outdoor space. This hardy plant loves full sun and can withstand dry, chalky soil, making it a great choice for those tricky garden spots. Plus, it's deer-resistant, so it's sure to stand its ground in your garden. And lastly, we have the reliable daylily. This perennial is a true summer champion, blooming profusely from early to midsummer. With a wide range of colors, from soft pastels to vibrant reds and purples, there's a daylily for every garden palette. Daylilies are adaptable to many soil types and will flourish in full sun to partial shade. They're also known for their toughness, being resistant to disease and pests. Just ensure they get regular watering, and they'll reward you with a stunning summer display. These flowers not only add charm to your garden, but also attract butterflies, adding to the overall appeal. With their vibrant colors, hardiness, and easy-care nature, the Shasta daisy, Russian sage, and daylily are sure to make your summer garden a true spectacle. So, why not give them a try? You might just find your new favorite perennial among them. With these 6 summer perennials, your garden will be a sight to behold. From the vibrant echinacea to the delicate gaura, each offers a unique charm that persists throughout the warm months. Your garden won't just look stunning, but it will also attract pollinators and bring life to your outdoor space. Remember, a garden is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating an ecosystem. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Midtown Farmer for more gardening tips. Your garden will thank you.
Damn.